guys, I am back with another video, and I had my hair twisted for, well, first let me start off with, this is Natural Raw Essence. Welcome to my channel. If you have not, if this is your first time, welcome to all my oldies but goodies, and let's get started. So let me fill you in on what's going on. I have been wearing my hair in a bonnet, wearing a bonnet for the whole week, and I was planning on doing a video but after my wash day, but I got a little bit lazy, so I did not do anything. But it's been twisted for a whole week, and I did a new technique, a new method, so I'm curious to see how this comes out. It's just that because it's been twisted for a whole week, I hope, and I have only moisturized it once. I used a spritz, a moisturizer refresher. I'm hoping that it will still come out the way I'm hoping that it does. So the only thing I'm going to put in it, this is not vitamin serum. This is actually, I finished my vitamin serum, and I have that video. I'll pop it up in the cards, but I finished this bottle and I just used it because I like the eyedropper. So I'm using this because of this. It's just easier for me to use. And I put a mixture, a concoction, so I'm not sure what, I can't remember what I put in this as far as my oils. I'm sure there's castor oil in here. I believe I put vitamin E, and there may be either jojoba oil or almond oil. But it's a combination of 3 oils. I just can't remember which ones that I put in. And I do that a lot. I'll grab old bottles and I'll mix things together, but then, like, I need to get a labeler. That's something that I want to get down the line, is a label, one of those print labels, so I can actually keep track of the things that I'm creating and the DIY treatments that I'm putting in my hair, so I can remember. Because you know me, my memory ain't that great. So, yeah. Okay, so let me see what we're working with today. And one thing, I promise y'all, I did not cut my hair. I didn't cut my hair. I noticed that there's a severe shrinkage, and I am wondering, like, what's going on. But I believe with 4C hair, it's actually a good thing when you have shrinkage. It's letting you know that your hair is extremely healthy, to be honest, because the natural state of 4C hair is shrinkage. I mean, that's the natural. That's what we do. That's what our hair does. So when I see severe shrinkage, I'm not freaking out because I see severe shrinkage. I believe my hair is in probably its healthiest state that I've ever experienced in my life. So I'm actually happy to see that there's shrinkage. Now the new technique that I did was putting, the trick that I've found out with twists, when you actually doing a 2-strand twist, is getting the ends to stay curled, because that's the key of a really nice twist out, is having those ends stay crinkled. And I think that's what I've been lacking, is that when I do my, especially as my hair has grown, because when I used to do TWAs, my hair actually used to hold a twist out really nicely because it was so short, and I just would throw in a headband. And you can see those videos, like, in my archives, because it would just hold, and I didn't have much of a struggle with doing a twist out. But I noticed as my hair has gotten longer, it somehow is looking like it's flopping, and it's just not looking like it normally looks like when you do a twist out. So I'm hoping by doing these, and what this is like a Bantu knot. I'm going to actually probably feature a video of how I did this, but It's just a Bantu knot, and you're just kind of looping it around the ends to kind of tie it. And I do like that because it held the whole week. I slept on this and it didn't. I was expecting this to kind of like unravel, but it didn't. It stayed, it held. So I think this is going to be my new technique, especially if this twist out comes out right. But I would like to try it on freshly washed hair and take it out the next day to see the difference, because I'm not sure how this is going to come out. But I'm going to use some of this oil to take down my twists. And as I always like to put it on my fingers, I don't know, it just makes it easier. And you just want to slide it. They come out real easy. I actually used mousse, hair mousse, when I did this. I used Design Essentials hair mousse. That's my favorite hair mousse, by the way. I'll pop that video too so you can see that if you haven't seen it. It's so good for like, it's a moisturizing, and you can feel it working. It curls your hair while you're putting the mousse in. And it also detangles really well too. Like I just love that mousse. It held a little curl there, so I'm hoping that it goes all right. I should have split it down the middle, but I've been wearing my hair a lot parted in the middle, so that's why I kind of parted it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be doing as far as the style, but I'm just gonna try to be gentle, because a lot of times when I'm taking out my twist, I'm kind of rough. And I can feel my hair is dry, very dry. But we'll work with it. I can always spray. Ooh, see? I don't be. The key to taking this out, and I had a spider now. The key to taking this out is being gentle. I got rough, heavy hands. Let's put it the way I have heavy hands. And I can see the twist is coming out. The twist out is coming out much better at the ends, because usually I have it's usually very straggly ends, and that's because I need a trim. But I notice even with not having a trim, by doing that method, it actually is holding much better the ends, because I usually have a lot of spider knots on my ends, and I'm trying not to snip as much, because I know I've gotten into a habit of snipping out these spider knots, and I think it's just not a good habit to keep cutting. That's why I think my hair is so uneven. But sometimes you can't avoid, because the only way to cut out spider knots is to cut off those ends. And see, I always start at the middle, which do not do that. You're supposed to actually start from the ends and work your way up. And I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Makes it easier to untwist. Yep. That oil is the key. Hopefully it brings some shine and luster to my hair, because that's another thing. My hair does not hold any shine due to the tight curl pattern, but that's alright. Gotta work with what you got. Work with what you got. Wow. It's nice and crinkly. Now, the second phase is, this is the make or break, and that is fluffing it out. So I'm gently, just, I don't want to pull from it, gosh. Ugh. I get so nervous because I have messed up so many twist outs by not fluffing it out right. And that's what I'm saying, when you have, for some reason when your hair is shorter, it's easier to do a twist out. The longer your hair gets, it gets like tangled. See that? And then you have more spider knots. I'm not trying to frizz. See, I frizzed it. And plus, if you wear it, see, for me, I don't wear my twist out because it really gets messed up by the next day. I don't know. I'm not able to sleep in a twist out because my hair is like a matte ball the next day. So it's challenging for me to, I guess the only way for me to do that is if I wear a pineapple and then wrap it up at night in a pineapple style, and this way it will hold. But it still comes out for me. It just does not look the same, and I rather just refresh and retwist my hair at night, so it comes out looking the way I want it to. Because it the ends, usually the ends are all frizzed, really frizzed out. And I just want to lift. And I normally don't use a pick. I like to finger style, finger comb. Kind of wishing I parted in the middle with this style. Kinda, I don't want to mess with it too much because the more you manipulate it, the chances are you'll mess it up. Or a lot of times with my twist outs, I like to just put it up with a headband. So I think I may try that because it's been a minute since I've actually did that. So I do have a black, I'm wearing orange and black. I could wear a black headband. I like my hair lifted up anyway, so that will work for me. I always usually push it off my hairline. And the curl can come down in my face. Because the headband kind of holds it together. And I'm just going to brush. I'm not going to put Agile. I'm just going to brush it. And I do like this new technique. Much better than how I was doing it before. Just So this is it, guys. Much better. This is gonna definitely be my new technique. Before I leave, I want to let you know that I have a new blog post, so you can actually see that on naturalraw.essence.com, and it's about the big chop. And I have never done a big chop as far as when I was going natural, because I was wearing my hair natural long before it became popular of wearing natural hair. So natural hair started coming in and everybody started, embracing their natural hair. I was just like, I was so amazed and excited, because I have been wearing my hair natural for like years upon years and really struggling with the challenges of people not understanding why I was wearing my hair natural. And I really kind of fell into it by accident, because I used to wear my hair braided and extensions. And there was one time when I was taking my hair out and getting it done at the salon, and when I took my hair out, it was just so, the volume was so thick and just beautiful. It had a lot of kinks and it was just amazing. Like, it was just so beautiful when I took out my braids. So I was like, I'm wearing my hair natural. And that's how I started wearing my hair natural. But most people, the average, well, not even the average, society wasn't there yet. So I had challenges on the job. I had challenges trying to explain myself to people about my appearance and why I was wearing my hair natural. But I am just so happy to see being accepted with our natural hair, but it's so much better because there's so many people now that's embracing their natural hair. And that's why my tagline, for my channel is to embrace your beauty and live a healthy and authentic life, because it's just important to really embrace everything about yourself, to really appreciate your own beauty, walk in your own essence. And that's why I named it Natural Raw Essence, to be able to walk in your natural essence. And that just means being comfortable in your own skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will chat in the next one. And then I also, one more thing, down below, I'm an affiliate, Amazon affiliate, but I also just opened up an Amazon storefront. So I just want to let you know that that is open and it's available, and I appreciate y'all. Take care.